Good afternoon, everybody. Just serviced a little Honda EU1000 inverter, and as you can hear, it's just running quietly there on the background. These are great little generators. They list for about $895. The guy that bought this, he paid $50 for it and needed a little cleanup and had the repolarized inverter, and basically it just sat for 8 years and locked in time, so we had to lubricate the cylinder and clean the spark plug and clean the carburetor, and she's just working very quietly. We live right next to it. Lawnmower across the street is making more noise than this little generator.